Good evening, everyone. I'm excited to introduce you to the Garner Holt Student Fast Pitch Competition. This event was started 12 years ago as a way for students at Cal State San Bernardino to present their unique ideas for new businesses, get feedback from entrepreneurs and investors, and compete for prize money. I'm honored to be part of the event and to be the primary sponsor. What is a fast pitch? Well, imagine you've just gotten on an elevator with an investor, and he or she asks you to tell them about your business startup. You have the duration of the elevator ride to convince that person to want to hear more about the business deal and potentially invest. Think of it as a very intimate version of Shark Tank. Tonight you will have an opportunity to listen to 5 student pitches, each 90 seconds in length. The 5 students were chosen from a field of more than 70 entries and have already presented to a panel of investors and entrepreneurs last week at the semi-final event held at the Esri Conference Center in Redlands. After listening to each of the students' fast pitches, you will help determine which 3 students will receive the prize money, including the $4,000 first prize. I feel a strong connection to this event and for the skills it teaches the students. Nearly 40 years ago, I made a similar pitch to the chairman of the MGM Grand in Las Vegas, and the result was an opportunity to put my fledgling business on a world stage by building animatronic figures for their new theme park. It was a transformational event in my life, and to this day, I'm still pitching my business. The skills the students learn in this process will serve them well throughout their career. Now it's time to start the Garner Holt Student Fast Pitch Competition. Please welcome to the stage the 5 finalists.